this is a little bit weird. It's I just did what is probably the last time I'll ever mow the lawn, possibly ever, but definitely here. And it's kind of bittersweet. Like, we're excited about the new chapter, but we're also really sad about this place. Lisa's just left, and she's already in tears. And we'll be back tomorrow anyway for some bits and bobs. But yeah, it's going to be very hard to say goodbye to this place. We absolutely love it. So I suppose onwards and upwards, hey. So, getting ready for camp for a cure. Now, normally it's pretty easy, but today obviously I had to come over. We've got settlement tomorrow, so we've got the final clean being done. So I'll go head over, get the camper set up, and we'll get it ready to go, and I'll take it back and leave it at the unit today, and then we'll leave first thing in the morning, so we'll try and get up there early and fill the water, get it out the front. Thought, there's some moisture on the inside of the door. So I opened the camper up and it's full of water. So as I've actually made the bed, so it's actually come down, it's pressed on the seal here, and basically the actual doona was actually out, and I didn't even notice it. So it was actually between here and here, these two surfaces here. So basically it was out, it was soaking up water, but it also lifted the seal up enough that the water was just pouring in, obviously. And I've just cleaned up, I should have shown you before I cleaned it up, but this is just all saturated. You won't see it, you'll kind of see some remnants there on that. But the condensation on all the doors on the inside was the first thing I noticed. So the thing that gave it away for me was, I walked, opened this door, and you can see all the condensation. And I went, that's not good. And even in here, I don't know if you can see, I don't know if you can see that or not, but it's just saturated. So, I don't know if you can actually see it or not, but that's absolutely saturated in there. So, it's exactly what you need when you've got settlement and also camping. Anyway, let's get into it, hey? Last one there. Not this one. Last time in the ensuite. This is a beautiful ensuite.
I see a little silhouette.